Look at it.
Hey guys, welcome to Moon City, where we help you guys give you pure technical analysis on all chartings on stocks, so you don't have to spend time doing it all over yourself, right, from scratch. You can just watch this video and get the key levels, kind of see how I'm doing the technical analysis, and really hope it serves you for the better, right? Today we're going to be going over Roku, ticker symbol ROKU. You know what it is. So really, I really see this really bad downtrend that we have currently on the 4 hours, right? The RSI is below the 40, and it looks like it's just about to bounce up from that oversold RSI. You can see some green volume coming in. I see some kind of rebound from that support right there under the 340 level, and right now it's sitting on 351. I really see maybe a rebound from the stock in the immediate short term. Maybe we can just see a few bounces up here, right? Let's actually put some support levels from this dip. So that could be our next resistance to watch, right? So you can also pause the video and use these key levels as your references, or you can do it from scratch yourself. But those are going to be what I'm watching in the immediate short term. And let's put another support level right there and there, right? So if we do break this 140 level again, we could maybe see a support from 323, if not 294, right? And I really doubt that's going to happen just because you see the TTM losing its momentum from the sell side into the neon green. Possibly we can see some kind of reversal happening from here, and really try to break these levels over here. The 362 and the 377 area is one of the biggest places I'm watching, right? So let's take those out. And we're going to be using a Fibonacci extension tool, right? So we can see that when it did hit this all-time highs, it did a double top and it just fell below it, right? It was just weak. A lot of institutions are taking their money out of tech stocks and rotating it into banks at this point. But I really see some kind of rotation coming back into tech stocks. And if we can really see Roku going above the 13 and 21 moving averages, and the green, which is going to be the 200 moving average, right? If we see some kind of good volume, good momentum coming up here, I could really see this breaking out back again, trying to reach all-time highs. But those are the levels you need to watch. And let's go ahead and put that Fibonacci extension tool out. Right, so I'm going to take this low. That is a really good baseline for me. And then I'm going to take that next high, which is a good level to watch. And then I'm going to just take this low, right? It's creating this cup and handle on the 4 hours. And, that was a big dip, right? That was just the market was getting weak. A lot of people were selling off from this really good run up, right? And earnings came in and just like gave it a little poop, gave it a look shook out. A lot of people just needed to buy puts then, right? So looking at this extension tool is going to show us the resistance and support levels to watch in the near short-term future. You could see the base level right here is 352. So if we do open a little bit higher Monday, I could see us kind of popping up a little bit over 370 level. And if we do hit that 375 level and break out from there, I could really see us trying to push up higher and then maybe past the 200, past the 50, and move up higher. But if we don't, right, once again we hit this, right, so we could see maybe this could hit a mid resistance level and maybe come back down after just a small little dip or something like that. That's going to be my anticipation. But really, it's been a good growth stock lately. Tech is doing good, and these are just really good pullbacks, right? It's just correcting a little bit from this wave up, right? Doing a double top, which is pretty much bearish. So that could give you an indication of this huge sell-off that we had from the highs of 489 all the way down to 330, not 342-ish, right? 341. That was crazy. And really, if you can see some good support here, I really can see this recover or even do like a small reversal, and then maybe we just consolidate here for a little bit, right? So honestly, at this point, it's a pretty good buy if you're doing a short-term trade. But if you're a long-term trader, definitely go ahead and buy these dips, right? Buy these dips, buy these dips, and cash out at the highs. Like that's the only strategy as a long-term investor is, right? And if you do that with anything else, definitely it give you great returns. All right, so we're going to be looking at the 5 minute real quick. Just whatever happened the Friday. Definitely see a lot of people trying to buy this dip, and it's doing a small little triple top up here, right? And I really want to see some good volume this week, pushing above the 332.75. If we can really see some kind of push up from there, I can just see it break out somewhere right above the 354.5, right? And I know Roku is always pumping in the mornings, right? Just pumping at opens. Every time I see Roku open, it's just pumps, right? And so if you're a really good scalper, that would be an awesome technique or strategy, whatever you use. But I really would want to see some kind of recovery or reversal out of these levels first to go anywhere long contracts, right? It's having this huge sell-off. Um, and you can see on the 5 minutes, the yellow line is going to be the 50 moving average. The green line is the 21 moving average. We see some kind of crossover. I could see some kind of really good push, good volume. And yeah, so it's looking like a good reversal might happen anytime soon because it's supporting very well on this level, respectively. So really need to watch what's going to happen on the 5 minutes. If it does not, hold that, we could just see some kind of consolidation for a little bit throughout the week. But if it does hold really well throughout the week, I really see some recovery coming in, and that could be a really good short-term trade. All right, guys, hope this gave you a really clean technical analysis perspective on Roku. Pause the video, get these key levels to watch this week. And if we can see some kind of momentum and good volume this week, I'm gonna see some good short-term traders here, right? So comment down below where you are in Roku. If you're going to buy this week, do you see some kind of reversal happening soon? Do you guys see some more downside? Put that in the comments below. Like, subscribe, share this video with your friends so hey, these are the key levels to watch. Go ahead and watch Josh's channel, Moon City. Right, and then you guys can also see the live trading when I'm buying and selling, and I will be uploading it on the Google Sheets live so that you guys can follow along the trades. And if you don't want to trade with me, definitely come support the channel, and you guys can still watch what's happening and the results of our challenge. All right, and I hope you guys have a good trading week.